How to fix the issue where you're not receiving a verification code in WhatsApp on your Android mobile. So if you've requested a verification code but it's just not coming through, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your Android, and then we need to scroll down to apps and go and click on this. You can then scroll right down to the bottom of the page until you see WhatsApp and go and click on it like so. You could then press force stop in the bottom right hand side and go and press OK. You could then scroll down and click on storage, click on clear cache in the bottom right hand side. You could then press clear data in the bottom left and go and press delete. Now, once you've done this, open back up WhatsApp. You may need to go and re-sign back into your WhatsApp account. You could then try resending the verification code and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, go and open up the Play Store on your mobile. Click on the search box at the bottom of this page. You could then type in VPN and press search. Now scroll down to Secure VPN and click on this one here. You could then press install and just give that a couple of seconds while it goes and installs to your Android. Once it's finished installing, click on the blue open button. You may need to go and agree to the terms and conditions. And once you see this page here, click on the cross icon in the top right hand side. You can then press connect and go and press OK. Now this is going to connect your phone to a VPN server. Now once it says connected like you see here, then what we can do is head out of this VPN. You can try resending your verification code once again and then opening back up WhatsApp and check if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, go and open up the settings on your Android, scroll right down to the bottom of the page and click on General Management. Now scroll down again and select Reset. Scroll down and click on Reset Mobile Network Settings and click on Reset Settings. You may need to enter the password to your Android and then you can press Reset. Now head back over to the previous window and this time click Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Now click on Reset Settings once again. And once you've done this, you can head back over to the home screen on your settings, scroll to the top of the page and click on Connections. You could then click on Wi-Fi and you'll need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Once you've done this, you can finally go and send that verification code once again. You can try opening up WhatsApp and that should have now solved the issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.